Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of a recent arrival, brand new 2024 Aquila 42 yacht. Look at the beam on this thing. Takes up our whole slip here. I think it's 21 feet. It's enormous. This is a phenomenal brand, one of the only brands that builds catamarans, only power cats. Check out the davit, carry your dinghy when you're going on your trips. Big beautiful dinette here in the back. Look at how the whole salon opens up with these windows and the bar stools. So great for entertaining. This is a 3 stateroom layout and 3 head layout. This is the light interior. Great area to prepare a meal. Lots of refrigeration. Lots of windows everywhere. This is plumbed for a water maker already. There is an optional lower helm you can get if you build your own boat. And this one has the 3rd stateroom layout here with a washer dryer. And its own private head and stall shower. You can have this optioned as a utility room if you want, where you give up the head. And we're going to go to the VIP guest stateroom. Nice full double bed. Nice windows with shades. And again, another full head, full stall shower. And then we'll go to the master, which is on the port side and takes up the whole port side tune. You have a little extra space in this one. Same size double bed. A little more windows. You have a little makeup area here or workstation, and the head is definitely deeper. You can see how much more room you have in the head, again with the stall shower. Heading back out of the salon, gonna head up to the gorgeous fly bridge. Big easy steps. Center helm with double helm seat. Starboard side lounger, big port side lounger, and a whole nother dinette. You have a whole nother party up here, and you do have a walkthrough through the bow here, so you can walk right down to the bow area on the boat, which we're going to go check out right now. Heading back down. This is powered by a pair of Volvo diesels. Very efficient. She'll cruise about 18 to 20 miles an hour. Has a nice range. You bring it back to 8 to 10 miles an hour, 8 to 10 knots. You can probably have a 600-mile range or so. Look at this great seating area here. Everything is easy. Everything is non-skid. Again, this is Tyler Hill. We're looking at a 2024 Aquila 42 yacht. It is available for sale. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.